Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit a high contrast image with the new editing features of Total Raw camera. So let us open up the image first. Okay, this shot was taken in not so ideal conditions. The shadows are too dark and the sky is overexposed. However, we did shoot it in RAW with the Total Raw camera app. In case you might not know, the purpose of RAW, of shooting in RAW, is so that you can preserve all the nice detail, but it comes at the expense that the image out of the box does not look really great, right? Because you are expected to edit this image. So that's one difference between JPEG and RAW, is that JPEG contains all the processing to make the image look nice. Basically, in the RAW file, it contains a lot more data, but it doesn't really look that great. So you are expected to do the editing yourself. And that's where the fun is, because you can make the image look the way you want it to do, as we're going to show here. So the first thing you can see here is that this image is a RAW file, and that's shown from the navigation bar. And so I just can click on the edit button here, or tap the edit button, and I can just make some adjustments. So obviously this image here, the shadows are a little bit too dark. So I'm just going to drag it all the way up here, and that brings out very nice detail in the shadows. So as you can see here, Total Raw has some very smart tools, and the shadow tool does a great job of bringing out the detail. And the next thing we're going to do here is the sky. The sky is overexposed, and I do recall seeing the sun with my own eyes, but let's bring that back with this, with the highlight slider. So I'm just going to drag the highlight slider down, and there you go. Now we can see the nice sun. So this should be a much better image here. Now there's some other things you could do here. If you want the shadows to be a little bit more targeted, you can adjust the shadow tolerance here. That's a unique feature of the Total Camera app, and there you go. And that'll preserve the midtones better, and in some cases that makes the image a lot better. So to compare it from the before, you can just long press. There's the before and the after. So that's an example of editing with the Total Raw camera app. Do try out Total Raw on the App Store. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.